All right, part two of the Pango guitar build. So in this portion, I'm using Elmer's wood filler to go ahead and fill the little nicks and different things on the guitar. In hindsight, I probably shouldn't have done this because one, it didn't do anything for the veneer. Um, the little potholes and stuff like that in it wasn't that big of a deal. But I was going about other people's videos instead of pretty much thinking for myself on this one. The one thing good that happened out of this is I realized after placing a neck on the guitar body and just running a low E string and the high E string that the drill holes were off for the bridge enough to where the high E was almost pretty close to falling off the neck, and that was a problem. So I decided to plug them with a couple of wood plugs. You can get them at Hobby Lobby or whatever. It's no big deal. And some Elmer's wood glue. You can see here I'm going ahead and doing that. Now, I watched a few videos on people drilling holes for this, and I thought of an easier way, and you'll see in a minute. I used the cloth over the wood and my body and fender hammer, the rubber mallet. So what I did was I took the bridge after getting it placed in the correct spot by running a string and making sure everything fell on the bridge where it was, well, on the neck where it was supposed to. I traced the bridge where I wanted it, with some pencil. Scored it with a screwdriver or a drill bit. I think it was a drill bit. It was a drill bit. I got in touch with a buddy of mine that has a drill press because you can't do this without a drill press. It's fucking impossible. Now this, I realized early on that this wasn't going to be a perfect method because even if you're a hair off, it's going to be a problem. Okay, on here, I marked the drill bit, the depth of the drill bit with some painter's tape to make sure I never went past that mark. So I put one of the bridge posts in, put it in the bridge, changed the bit on the drill press, one that would fit inside the drill holes. Put the drill where it was supposed to go to make sure that it fit. Clamped down the body, took the bridge out. Remember to take the bridge out, you don't want to fuck it up unless it's a shitty bridge. Went ahead and drilled the hole. I forgot, I must have deleted the video when I actually drilled the hole, and the bridge fit perfectly in place. That's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.